Hi everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name is Linda and what have I got for you today? I've got a yarn parcel and I've also got something that I ordered from Bridget, and so let's get to it. So I'll open Bridget's first. You know, Bridget makes these gorgeous bags for your yarn, and came from Yarning for a Smile, did a video of where she purchased some, and I saw them and I thought I need them bags. So let's see if I can get into this. I've got left-handed scissors, guys, because you all know I'm left-handed, and can I use them? Can I? Yeah, because like it's hilarious. Ooh. So let's see what she... Oh, I've got a lovely little thank you card. I added in one extra. Oh, thank you. Oh, a queen's bag made by a queen for a queen. Lots of love and yarny hugs. Oh, Queen Crafts by Bridget. Oh, thank you, Bridget. You're a queen too, sweetie. Oh, look, I love them. I got a little acorn. And I got, obviously, being a queen, I got a crown. And I got another crown stitch marker. Oh, I will definitely use these in my sock for when I'm doing my socks, because by the end of this week I might have 3 socks on the go, guys. 3 pairs of socks on the go. I'm really loving my socks, you know. I think I'm a sock addict, guys. I think I'm a sock addict. That is, I will treasure that. Thank you. And she's did pussycats for me. Oh, look. Oh, isn't that amazing? And there's kind of like a smelly inside, which will keep you... Oh, look at the pussycats, guys. Oh, Bridget, I love it. Love it. And then I got a little one. Oh, she sent me one as a gift. Oh, guys, isn't that awesome? And then I got the 2. Oh, Bridget, thank you so much, sweetheart. I didn't expect that. Oh, thank you. That will... Oh, I will use them and treasure them forever. Thank you so much. Pussycats, guys. Pussycats. Oh, pussycats. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Thank you. And look, it's got a strap where I can carry it around with me. Oh, brilliant. Oh, sweetheart, thank you. Oh, thank you. So, I am supporting UK yarn dyers at the moment, guys, simply because of the postage. You know, as much as I love Stephen West's yarn, and as much as I love Fibre Expressions, and I have actually ordered from them. And all other amazing yarn dyes in the US and Canada, the postage is horrendous. So I'm paying as much for the postage as I am for the yarn, guys, and I just can't afford it, to be honest with you. You know, and I can get more yarn in the UK than I can for the US and Canada and Europe as well. Because the taxes, when I ordered from Stephen West, the taxes I had to pay was ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. And it was a big shock. Obviously I paid it because I had to. But, so yeah, guys, so please forgive me if I don't order from any of my US dyers. But at the moment, I just can't afford the postage. So I'm on a big support UK dyers at the moment, guys. And this is from a company called Ducky Darlings. Now, I've never ordered from them before, and I never heard about them until I watched Emma from Potter and Bloom, Christy, and is it Kirsty or Christy? I can never remember. I'm sorry, girls. And Tracy from Wool and Wishes. And I really like the look of it, so I thought, right, I'm going to see what the yarn's like. And I think, guys, this is sock yarn, would you believe? more I don't think I need more sock yarn, guys, but I've ordered more. And, you know, the postage, for the postage that I pay for the US, which is about $25, guys, I can buy another skein of yarn here in the UK and still have enough left over to pay for postage too. So please forgive me. So let me just see if I can get this bag open. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, nothing in the bag, just making sure. Right, okay. Oh, my favourite biscuit. Oh, I love Biscoffee. Oh, and I've got strawberry and cumin with green tea and aloe vera. Oh, I'll have to try that, guys. Ooh. So I'll put them there to go downstairs. So I've got 2 parcels. So, and then look, Ducky Darlings with a little duck. So let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. I have been after, I really like, I got some of the plain. I'm coming down now. He's just made me a coffee. This is undyed, and I wanted some undyed yarn, guys, because sometimes I think if you've got a darker colour, just a pop of the natural works really well, maybe for a heel or a cuff and that. And so yeah, it's nice and squishy. Obviously it's superwash merino, 75/25 with nylon, 425 meters, which is about 440 yards. It's a finger weight, and it's hand dyed in Derbyshire, UK. And okay. In fact, I got 3 of them. I got 3 of them, so I got 3. And I got, this is called Wonderland sock set. And again, it's the same, it's 120 grams, a finger weight. And this is called Wonderland. So yeah, so they are what I bought from Ducky Darlings. So guys, that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now, guys. Bye.